What's up, everybody? Today we're going to be installing the AeroForce gauge on my wife's TrailBlazer Super Sport. The gauge, nothing fancy. Alright, so to start off with, basically all you're going to need is 7mm socket, drill, or a Phillips head screwdriver, depending on what you prefer. I might end up using both. And to give a quick overview, basically it's just one screw here, another one right here. This drops. You got a couple of two screws right there. It's hard to see because of the glare, I'm sorry. There's another screw in here, and then there's three more, one in here, one on this side, and then one on that side, but we have to drop this little bottom portion first. Bear with me. First one's off. Second one's off. All right, so the drill didn't work, so we're going back to the Stone Ages and using a screwdriver. So I want to drop it, even though I probably will. Alright, that's one. The other one's right here. Same thing, self-explanatory. Alright, this is the last one. At least for the outer side. It's a 7mm also. Take a while. And voila, finally. All right, now to pull this down. All right, it's about as far down as we need it. All right, so right here, we're able to be in the future, so we can use the drill. Now let's hope I don't drop any of these screws. That's the first one. Second one is right here, how I explained earlier. Number two. And number three on this side. It's gonna be a little hard to show you guys, but let's see if I can. All right. Done and done. Now to pry this off, there's a couple of clips holding it. Oh yeah, well, it's already down, so I forgot to say that, to drop down the steering column. And that's basically it to get this off. So we're gonna take off this little TrailBlazer SS lid, or whatever you wanna call it, cap. There it is. And that's where the gauge is gonna go in. So we hit a little snag. It doesn't come with a bracket anymore, and it's a little too loose, so we're gonna have to improvise. I even tried fitting it at the bottom. Didn't work, but we'll make it work. So we figured it out. I'm gonna wire the wire through this hole in here. It's gonna basically be right here and come out through there. Just wait on it. So plan A was a little harder than expected. So we're gonna use this wire to fish that wire. Put the wire down there. Oh yeah. Ta-da! All right, now we just gotta connect it. And we're gonna see if we have power. And we have power. Oh yeah. Now to finish her up and button her all in, stay tuned. She is in and she is snug. All we have to do is just button her back up and she's ready to go. Happy wife, happy life. Obnoxiously loud, but there you go. The trans temp is there, oil pressure, she's ready.